Drop a like and do share. Leave your comments and do not forget to subscribe for more videos.
Thank you for watching Edupedia World videos. In this video, we'll be learning about modern marketing information system. The art and the science of marketing. Making marketing decisions in a fast-changing world is both an art and a science. You have to get context, you have to get insights and inspiration for marketing decision making. There are companies that possess comprehensive up-to-date information about macro trends as well as about micro effects particular to their business, and this is a good approach. Holistic marketers recognize that the marketing environment is constantly presenting new opportunities and threats, and they understand the importance of continuously monitoring, forecasting, and adapting to that environment. On an average, and you guys can also justify this, that at least once per week we come across surveys, questionnaires, ratings, and other forms of gathering information adopted by the companies. Now companies, they are adjusting the way they do business, and this is not just the reason because of the economy. This is also because of the changing patterns of the marketing behaviors itself. Virtually every industry has been touched by dramatic shifts in technological, demographic, sociocultural, natural, and political legal environments. In these upcoming lessons, we'll be seeing how companies, they can develop and they can possess the knowledge to identify and track important macro environment trends. Let us see what is about collecting the information. A company, it must collect information either through mails or campaign, maybe directly interacting with the people, R&D, or maybe bringing some new ideas or research. Marketers, they have enormous task of collecting and analyzing the information about the market shifts. Marketers, they can perform this task through following sources. First is the disciplined method for collecting the information. Then the time spent interacting with the customers. Then observing their competitors and other outside groups. When you observe your competitors, you understand how their marketing strategy is better than yours, or maybe it is lower than yours. And when you observe your competitors, you not only bring a better solution, but also you gain more market shares. Companies, they have marketing information system that provide rich detail about the buyer's want, about their preferences and behavior. Companies with superior information can choose their market better, develop better offerings, and execute better marketing planning. And that is the importance of information. Every company must organize and distribute a continuous flow of information to its marketing managers because they will be ultimately the decision makers. A marketing information system, or MIS, consists of many elements like people, equipment, and procedures to gather information. The information that is gathered is then sorted, analyzed, evaluated, and decided upon by the marketeers. It also relies on internal company records, marketing intelligence activities, and marketing research. All of these we'll be looking at in the next video. There are some questions that you need to ask yourself and your environment before you make a decision. These decisions can be regarding purchasing or designing or pricing or delivery, depending upon the nature of your business. So how you are gonna do it, where you are gonna do it, what you are gonna do, with whom you are gonna do, when you are gonna do, and why, the most important reason why you are gonna do it. Before you start getting the information, you need to have some questions as well. For example, if you are dealing with gold, maybe you have a jewelry shop or you are exchanging in dollar, then you need to have the current rate of gold and dollar. If your company is delivering goods, then you need to have today's weather and traffic conditions in order to deliver those goods at time and safely. And these are some of the questions that you need to understand before you gather the information. So, what information do you need to make these decisions? There are many other questions that are do with macro and micro environments. There are questions which are important part of your daily decision making processes. MIS has more than one definition. Like MIS is defined as a system which provides information support for decision making in the organization. But let us take a relevant one. MIS is defined as the integrated system of man and machine for providing the information to support the operations. Operations will include marketing, finance and production and other operations as well, which will include logistics, the management and the decision-making function in the organization. So this is more of a professional definition of MIS. Lastly, let us see about the components of MIS. Management information systems are distinct from other information systems because they are used to analyze and facilitate the strategic and the operational activities. Academically, the term is commonly used to refer to the study of how individual groups and organizations they can evaluate, design, implement and manage and utilize the system to generate the information so as to improve their efficiency and effectiveness of the decision making. So there are almost 5 components of MIS. First is the hardware, the software, the data that is information for decision making, the procedure that is design, development and documentation, then again the people which are individuals, groups or organizations. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be seeing you in the next video and we'll be learning about internal records.